make you milk. Stop wasting food. Yan na. Come, mommy. Come to mommy. Come here. Baby. Sit down here. Sit down. Come here. Careful. Okay, mommy will make your milk. Ayan na. Good morning mga shots. Say good morning. What happened? Oh, come sit down here. Mama will make your milk. I know. Come here. Careful. Oh, what are you? Don't worry, look at them. Say good morning. Where's the blankies from them? Blankies? No blankets for them? Oh no. Okay, just sit down here. Mama will make your milk. Okay, you want milk? It's okay, Mama will make your milk. Move here, move. You see them? Talk to them. Say hi, mga tata shots. Say here. Say them. Hello. Okay, get close to them. Get close. There you go. Say good morning. Gising na ang baby. Ayan na, kulit na kami nagising. Anong oras na? Oh my goodness, baby Yana. How can I make a milk? You don't have hot water. Okay, Mama need to boil the water first. Ay, Diyos ko niya. Naubusan pala kami ng tubig. Wait, Mommy. Wait. Excuse me. Mommy need to make the ano. I need to boil the water for baby Ayana. Yeah. Talk to them first. Ay, pag-ibig. Say hi to them. Can you say hello? Good morning? Say good morning. No morning? Say good morning, Tata Shots. Mama will cook something for Daddy. You want soup also? Okay. No. Asa no? Maybe I have to cook something for Daddy. Okay? You have to sit down. Okay. Mama will banana. Come here. One banana. Ayan na. Gawa tayo mga shots ng ano. Meron ako dito mga tira-tirang gulay. Gagawin kong soup. What do you want? Oh, come here. Sit down here. Mama will do something. Yeah, I need to cook something, baby Yana. What do you want? What do you want? Ako yung isa naman nag... It's okay. Mama will make something. Yeah. Your mommy is here. Mommy is here. What do you want? Can I do my work? Can we make something for Daddy so Daddy will feel better? We'll have to make soup for Daddy. Squash soup. Yeah. Can I do that? We have to put lots of itong ating mga luya. Maliliit naman. Can I put you down? Yeah, so I can make soup for daddy. Yeah, that's ate. Can I put you down? Oh, you want eggs? What do you want? Kung kailan naman ako kailangan ng inaaw ng ama. Saka naman to nagpapasaway. Oh, this one, coffee. Coffee. Yeah, can I put you down? Oh, I'll give you banana. You want banana? Okay, sit down. Mommy will make you banana. Give you banana, okay? Yeah, got this. Yeah, banana, okay? Eat this one. Then Mama will start cooking for Daddy, okay? And for you. Yeah. Come on. Okay, just stay there. Don't cry, okay? Don't be cranky because I need to cook for Daddy. Yung Daddy natin may sakit. Hindi makakapasok sa work. Say hi mga tatasyas, good evening. Gabi na pala dito sa ating, ay no baby, no. Say hi to them. Say hi. Magluluto no kami ng aming dinner for tonight, and we're having, what are we having, baby Ana? Caldereta chicken, caldereta ba yan? Basta wala man kaming baboy o beef. Ito na lang, chicken caldereta na lang tayo. Maiba naman. Di ba yan ha? Yeah, be good ka lang ha, kasi may ginagawa si mami. Nagpipil ako ng ating ingredients. Nagpunta kami sa palengke kanina. Kami ng dalawa. Ngayon yung sasakyan niya nawala ng preno. Nakakaloka yung ginawa ko. Pinahirapan mo ako anak magtulak ng iyong sasakyan. Dami pa kamo sasakyan din sa gilid-gilid, walang pakialam. No baby, nakarating din naman tayo na baby no. Nag-survive din naman kami sa daan. Yung daan na magulo. Right Yana? Right? Luto na lang tayo ng ating ulamin para makakain din yung aking may sakit. Buti na lang kamo, bumaba na yung langtat ni Jowa. Thanks God. Ay, gusto ko nang maligo anak. Kanina pa ako pawis ng pawis. Wala kami masyadong video kanina kasi nga nag-asikaso ko sa isa. Tapos nung natulog to, natulog din ako. Napagod ako. So, wala tayong video today. Ito pala yung ating video yata. Ayan na. Yeah. Ang laki ng popsicum. Oh, what? Oh no, what happened? Look, show them the popsicum. Popsicum. No, baby, that's spicy. No. The spicy. You don't like spicy? I wonder kung kanino ka nagmana. Kay daddy? Sige din yung baby yan Okay, well done. Yes. Okay then baby. Don't touch my phone, okay? Kain na tayo mga shots. Yung aking chicken afritada, nandito na siya. Tapos may konting rice tayo. Si Ayana, nag-ano siya. Pinagpasta ko siya kanina. Ay, nandito pa nga siya. Kumakain pa. Ay, baby, Yana. Ayana, ano na nangyari sa pasta mo? Wala na, nagkalat na siya. Sige, okay lang yan. Kain na rin ako kasi. Diet tayo ngayon. Wala tayong gana kumain kanina umaga. How's the spaghetti yan, ha? Nilagyan ko na to siya ng Yummy. Yummy yan, ha? Perfect yung kanyang lasa. Hindi siya maalat. Kain na tayo mga shots. Kain tayo. Thank you Lord sa aming pagkain today. Ito ng ating mamaya pala si Jowa kakain. Yung tao na to hindi siya kumain buong araw. Pahinga lang talaga siya kasi nga yung pakiramdam niya hindi maganda. Kaya ko, ano pang inaantay mo? Ano ginagawa mo? Thank you Lord. Ang ngipin ko. Sarap, bebe. Ang ulam ko. Mama is eating rice, okay? Kung painaan mo lang ko kasi narinig sa TV ko, baka makapiright ako. Yummy, baby Anna. How's yours? How's your spaghetti? Ang taba man yung nakuha ko. Gusto ko yung buto-buto. What are you doing? Clapping? Come. What is come? Okay. Tapos na pala kami kumain mga shots. Nakaligo na rin tong batutang ito. Say good night to Tata Shots na. Good night, baby Ana. Say hanggang dito na lang yung video namin mga Tata Shots. Yan na, look at them. So, see, ayan na. What are you looking at? Look at the video. See, bye mga Tata Shots. Come, bye-bye. I'll give them flying kiss. Flying kiss. Say thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Oh, hug mommy. Oh, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. No? Bye-bye.